Good morning, children, and welcome to your English grammar class. In today's class, we shall cover up two topics. First, we shall learn what is a sentence, and then we will learn about the subject and predicate in a sentence. Children, the subject and predicate are the parts of a sentence. Let us now begin with the first part, the sentence. Children, look at these pictures and read the group of words given below. Rohan am I. School my this is. Gives the cow milk. Rohan am I. School my this is. Gives the cow milk. Children, do these groups of words make sense? No, they do not make sense because these groups of words are not in the correct order. Read the same words when placed in the correct order. I am Rohan. This is my school. The cow gives us milk. Now, these words make complete sense and have meanings. They are called sentences. So, children, what is a sentence? Yes, a group of words which are in correct order and makes complete sense is called a sentence. Kindly note the following things when you write a sentence. A sentence must have a subject and verb. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with any punctuation mark. Simple sentences end with full stops. Interrogative sentences end with question marks. We use capital letters to start the name of a person, place, festivals, religions, days of the week, and months of the year. I hope you have understood what is a sentence and what are the things you need to keep in mind while framing a sentence. So then, let's do an activity. Rearrange these words to make complete sentences. Use capital letters and full stops. Rewrite these sentences, putting in the punctuations. So far, we studied about the sentence, and now we shall continue with another topic, subject and predicate. Look at these pictures and read how these sentences have been divided into two parts. My mother cooks the food. The doctor is examining the patient. The girl is playing with her doll. Look at these sentences and see how they are divided into two parts. My mother is a subject. Cooks the food is predicate. The doctor is a subject. Is examining the patient is predicate. The girl is a subject. Is playing with her doll is predicate. These are two parts of a sentence, subject and predicate. Let us see what is a subject and predicate in a sentence. The subject tells who or what the sentence is about. The predicate tells what the action of the subject is said about the person or thing. It contains the verb and object. We shall see some more examples for subject and predicate. Pick out the predicate parts from these sentences. The crows were sitting on the tree. The crows is a subject. Were sitting on the tree is a predicate. He is selling balloons in the market. He is a subject. Is selling balloons in the market is a predicate. Sunil and Richa are going to school. Sunil and Richa is subject. Are going to school is predicate. The lion is the king of the forest. The lion is the subject. Is the king of the forest is predicate. We shall take one more example. Children, read and underline the subject given in the sentences. Children, I hope you have understood what is a sentence and the parts of a sentence, that is subject and predicate. Watch the video carefully to understand the topic and then solve the exercise given at the end of this lesson. Thank you, children, and have a wonderful day.